This video is going to walk you through how to use the new YouTube Embedder plugin to eLearn. So in your course, whether you're in a label, in a book, in a quiz, anything along those lines, whenever you see this text editor, you can see this YouTube Embed icon up the top. It's just the YouTube play. So to be able to use this, what you want to do is first you want to actually go into YouTube and you want to find a video that you want to embed. So for this instance, I'm just on our eLearn support YouTube channel and I'm going to go to the H5P video that I had previously created. I want to now embed that into my course. So once the video is loaded, grab a copy of the link up the top here. So you can highlight that and Control-C on your keyboard to copy, or right-click and copy. Back in eLearn, we're going to click on the YouTube Embed icon. And that's going to bring up just a little window here. What we can do is we can enter the YouTube URL here. So right-click and paste, or just Control-V on your keyboard will paste that in. Now, if you wanted to include the description, you can do that. One little caveat for that is that it doesn't actually format the description. So this particular video doesn't have much of a description, so it would be okay to put in. Just note some of your other videos, if they've got a large description, be aware that it will bring all of that over. So I'm going to include it in this case so you can see what it looks like. Then we're going to click on Embed Video. So what that does, it's putting our play icon, it's putting the time, the video time, it already has that in there, and the description, and then the actual video. So if I click on Save and Return to Course now, what we're going to do is we're going to see that video embedded into my page. So you can see here the video's there. I can hit play to watch this. You can see the name of it, the channel it's come from, and the YouTube link as well.